Hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. Hope y'all are having a fantastic day. Please subscribe down below. Thank you very much. And welcome. This video is about the Lindale, Texas Car Show. Met with some very nice people, the Corvettes Coast to Coast group, and then just various other people. Aubrey Maddow, who I hadn't seen in quite a while, he was there. Another C8 Corvette, a Maserati, and then all your really cool muscle cars, show cars, and things like that. It was a very nice day, a very nice show, and so let me just share with y'all what I saw. So here we go. On this occasion, we took Rumble, my 2005 C6. I love driving this car. Here is the flyer for the car show. The show is also advertised on Allride, which is one of the places that I advertise a lot of my cruises and events as well. And what would a Road Odyssey video be without a map? So here I'm just giving you an idea of where Lindale is, just south of 80, kind of almost off 20 and 69. Walking up on the show, I could tell that there was a healthy number of cars out there, so I knew this was going to be a good day. There was absolutely a ton of variety out there, including a couple of bikes. I would have liked to have seen more motorcycles out there, but that's the way it goes. You got your Jeep clubs, you got your Mustangs, and you know whatnot. But you know what? A lot of this was actually pretty good collectible cars. I really don't like putting kids in my videos, but this is cool. These two motorcycles were absolutely eye-popping. They were beautiful. So whoever owns these things, man, you have done a fantastic job. As I said before, there was a lot of variety, including this 66 VW bus. One of the representatives of a group of VWs at the show really liked this thing. I've been inside these many moons ago, and they ride actually pretty well. They're kind of fun. Of course, this thing is pretty much a rust bucket, but it's a VW. It will probably keep running until the wheels fall off. Now I had to get my buddies, and one of them being Aubrey Maddow, who has been on some cruises with myself and Brian of Yellow Jacket Garage and some of these other folks that are just great down there in East Texas. So really liked his 72 Chevelle. It's got an LS in it. It's quite fast. It sounds great. Now, I have not been in it, but this thing looks very comfortable. So, congratulations to Aubrey. He has won a lot of awards on this car. Of course, you're going to have hot rods. So, this is a fantastic example. I might have seen this car before. It is beautiful. I personally enjoy a two-tone color for a lot of these old cars. And not only that, getting around the back, I like the rear lights and the 4 center exhausts. I'm a sucker for GTOs, Trans Ams, and muscle cars like that. I really like this gold and black. This is a beautiful Trans Am. Just, you know, it's just one of those things that you grow up liking, and this just happens to be one of them for me. Just another very cool hot rod. Really like the engine in this thing. Very well done. I like the sculpting of the car, the design, everything about this is just really well done. Like the other hot rod I showed you, this has got the suicide doors, and I think that is awesome. Super clean interior, kind of like that gauge cluster, not too bad. And this has a nice profile from every angle. I chose this car just as another example of a really fine classic from the mid 1900s. This thing was beautiful. It's got to ride like a dream. So anyway, I just thought you might enjoy seeing this. Just like I said, another really great example of what was out there. And how can you not include a rat rod? I love these things. They are just so grungy, gnarly, and awful. But, you know, this one is very classy, if you can say that for a rat rod. I like this car. This is really neat. So, hope you enjoy it too. I seriously appreciate people who go out of the way to show their appreciation for the armed services, first responders, you know, even our utility workers, dispatchers, and people that keep our lives under control and reduce the chaos. This I would consider best in paint for all the trailers. There were some very nice hood liners. This Mustang, Wolf Howling at the Moon, Brian, Yellow Jacket Garage, Native Texas Girl, all gave some gave all. That's very tasteful. This is Ben's First Responder C7 Corvette hood liner. Cool. Now, a very quick hit and run on Corvettes Coast to Coast. A little distance shot of the 5 Corvettes representing Corvettes Coast to Coast. I will provide you with a video specifically on the Corvettes Coast to Coast group. Corvettes Coast to Coast is not just a Facebook page, it's a group of people with many who are supportive of first responders, military, and all those people who reduce the chaos in our lives. Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please subscribe. I really do appreciate it. Subscribe. And have a great day. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.